The moving runway is now up to 50. It's now travelling at 55 miles an hour behind that big Ford Explorer estate with a 4-litre engine. And there's Brendan sort of hovering above it. I think he's got the wheels on it, has he? He's got the wheels on it. Looks like it.
Yeah, it's good.
And he's moved up the trailer and the aircraft is now clamped to the trailer. Bear in mind that the trailer is only 2 feet longer than the aircraft and only 2 inches on either side wider than the aircraft.
What's
So
his
there he
name?
is, having landed on the shortest runway in the world. But what does he do now? I mean, it's quite difficult to get that aeroplane off. Unless you can have a crane. Or maybe he can just take off. You turn round. Let's see what happens.
God, he ain't gonna take off, is he? He's mental. Oh, yeah. I'm gonna put it on YouTube there.
Well, he's still got the engine running. I suppose that means he might be thinking of taking off. This is what you call an earworm. You'll be singing this for the rest of the day. Thanks, Jonathan.
This song's crap.
Waving.
There is?
Well, I don't think this is going to be a takeoff. I think it's just a little taxi down the runway on your own runway.
Was that his runway?
So, what I suppose they'll do now is they'll turn round at the right-hand end, so they're then pointing into wind. That may be the best way of getting Brendan off John Baker's back.
The next thing, from him, you probably see him towing an airplane. Well, there's a bin there that Oh, coppers are joining us.
Well, now the tension mounts because John Baker's about to rev the old 4-litre Ford. I don't think it accelerates very well, but I suppose once he gets up to about 55 miles an hour or a bit more, might be enough to get that little aeroplane off the trailer. Right, trailer's rolling. The old Ford Explorer straining at the leash. 30 miles an hour. 40 miles an hour. The clamps are off. The aeroplane is just sitting on the trailer. And there he is, airborne. Hooray! Well done, that man.
Kind of looks like a bird, doesn't it?
Quite extraordinary show.